Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by ensuring your Apple ID is properly signed into Game Center. This prevents authentication errors. Once signed in, force close any games and the Game Center process to clear hung sessions. Then restart the device with a full power off, wait about 10 seconds, and power back on so cached services reset. Doing these steps first eliminates common transient issues and prepares the system for deeper fixes. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi before moving to account and network checks next. Now focus on account and network details. Check that Game Center services are operational and that your friends list or achievements sync correctly, because server-side outages change behavior. If you see connectivity problems, reset network settings to refresh DNS and cellular/Wi-Fi profiles. This step often fixes matchmaking and sign-in failures. After network reset, sign out of Game Center and sign back in so tokens renew. If parental or purchase restrictions are blocking features, temporarily lift them to confirm they aren't the cause. Finish by addressing app-level issues. Update both iOS and the game to the latest releases, because compatibility fixes often resolve Game Center glitches. If problems persist, delete and reinstall the game to remove corrupted local data, and then relink your Apple ID or any third-party account used for progress. Make sure cloud saves are intact before deleting. If things still go wrong, capture a short screen recording and any error messages so you can provide clear details to support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.